Welcome to my channel. This video will explain how I installed the access reader and exit button plus emergency break glass. So please like and share my video. And magnetic door lock mechanism. This is the emergency exit glass with the same connection to the push button. So when an emergency happens by breaking the glass, it will open the door automatically. This is the exit button. Make sure that your push button is one-way connection. So when you press the button, it will stop the power going to the relay. Plus is for the 12 volts from power supply or battery. Is for the neutral connection. D plus and D is for the access reader connection. NC and common is for the series connection of magnetic plus exit button plus emergency break glass. N1 and common is for the emergency alarm connection. Thank you for watching this video.